So this is our cutout, the shape of a bear, ready for our blackboard. I wasn't going to do a video on it, but it was such an interesting little project. This is our Corona project during our lockdown at home. So we've put the blackboard paint on it already. So I put, we got, as you can see, it's that ply. It's a ply from your hardware store. You can use anything as long as it's reasonably thick, so it doesn't warp. And then put an undercoat on it, one or two undercoats. I go with a light sand, and then we're going to put the first coat of the blackboard paint on. White knight chalkboard paint.
We did the coronavirus.
The coronavirus. Okay, with your black bear. That's fantastic. That's good. It's a good chalkboard.